11? Can I say 13 and 11? 9 or 15?
Yes.
9 plus 15, 24. સમજાય છે? એવા ઘણા બધા નંબર્સ થી થઈ શકે. You got the exact thing what we have to do here?
Yes, sir.
Will you be able to do, girls?
Yes, sir. We will able to do.
Question number 7. Who will read? Kulsum.
Yes, sir.
Read question number 7.
Okay, sir. Give three parts
Parts છે.
pairs
હા.
of prime
Perim.
numbers who
તું 6th સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ માં છો ને બેટા?
yes, whose different is to remind to
Who will read this question properly?
Can I, ma'am? Can
Sir, can I Alina
I?
Kholia?
Alina Dolia, please.
Alina Kholia.
Sir, I got the answer of number 6. One.
Question number
I
7.
want question number 7. Yes.
Give three pairs of prime numbers whose difference is 2. Remark, two prime numbers whose difference is 2 are called twin primes.
Okay. હવે જો શું કહેવા માંગે છે? પેલા કોપ્રાઇમ મીન્સ વોટ? કોણ કહેશે કોપ્રાઇમ? સરસ શીખવાડેલું છે, ખબર છે? ભૂલી ગયા?
Sir, please repeat. No. One, both, in both, one will come.
વન તો બધામાં આવે.
Sir, please repeat the question.
What do you mean by co-prime? Co-prime numbers. ખબર છે? મેં તમને એક્ઝામ્પલ આપ્યો તો 4 and 15. બોર્ડ ઉપર મેં તમને ભણાવેલું 4 અને 15. Both
Yes.
are said to be co-prime to each other. Why? Because it has only one as a common factor.
Yes.
And 1, 2 and a 4 થાય, and 1, 3, 5 and 15 થાય factors. So one was only a factor which was common. Muskan, one તો બધામાં આવે જ. If you are simply saying that one is a common factor, so one તો દુનિયાના તમામ નંબરમાં common factor આવવાના છે. But when it is said to be co-prime, when it has only one as a common factor, you miss the word only. There is no other number which will be common as a factor, you know. So when we have only one as a common factor, at that time 4 and 15 are said to be co-prime to each other. Is that clear, girls?
Yes, sir. Time. Can I tell number?
સમજાય છે? સમજાય છે?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We can understand.
Okay. Now, in the same case, co-prime is cleared. Now it is said to be co-twins. Co-twins એટલે શું ખબર છે? Co-twins. Twins તો ખબર જ ને? જોડકા.
Yes.
Yes or no? So when it is said to be
Yes, sir.
co-twins, when two prime numbers, which number? Prime numbers has
Prime
a difference of 2. જે બે prime number no difference, for example 3 is a prime number, right? 5 is a prime number, so 5 minus 3, the difference is what?
2.
So this 3 and 5 are said to be co-twins to each other. શું કહેવા છે?
Co-twins.
Have you all understood the content, girls? સમજ પડી ગઈ કે નહીં? તો હવે આપણે શું એક્ઝામ્પલ આપવાનું છે? Give 3 pairs આપવાનો છે of a prime numbers whose difference is 2. ત્રણ એવી પેર આપવાની છે જે પ્રાઇમ નંબર હોય અને એને ડિફરન્સ શું આવતો હોય 2. One I give you 5 minus 3. The difference is 2. Both are prime numbers 5 and 3. Can I say that 7 and 5? 7 minus 5. The difference is 2. Can I say 13 minus 11? Both are prime number and the difference is 2. ત્રણ પેર થઈ ગઈ 1, 2 and 3. Any doubt?
No, sir, no doubt.
Now,
No doubt.
they are saying two prime numbers whose difference are 2. Difference is 2. જેનો 2 difference આવે છે એ બંને prime number કયા prime number થાય? Called as twin prime numbers. Called as twin prime numbers. શું કહેવાય એને? Twin.
Twin primers.
Prime numbers. Primers નથી, prime numbers છે. જો તું.
Primes number.
Any doubt, yeah, girls?
No, sir, no doubt. No, sir, no doubt. No doubt.
Chalo, question number 8. Which of these following numbers are prime? There are 4 options given. Which of them are prime numbers? ચલો મુસ્કાન, આલિયા, પછી અમરીન, પછી કોણ છે બીજી?
27 and
27 ક્યાં છે તે? કયા
sorry,
નંબર
sorry,
વાંચે?
23
ઓકે,
and 37.
very good. 23 and
Thank you,
37 are the prime numbers. 23 and 37 are prime numbers because 51 પણ આવે છે, right? And 26 પણ આવે. 17 threes are 51 આવે શાયદ. આવે જ ને? 3 ones are 3 plus 2 51 આવે છે. 17 threes are 51. So 37 and 23 are said to be prime numbers. Yes. Now question number 9. Write 7 consecutive composite numbers less than 100. 7 consecutive એટલે શું? Consecutive એટલે લાઈનમાં. 7 consecutive composite numbers less than 100 so that there is no prime numbers between them. Consecutive એટલે લાઈનમાં. એ 7 numbers એવા છે કે એની વચમાં કોઈ પણ prime numbers આવતા નથી. સમજાય છે girls?
Yes, sir.
Again I am repeating. Write which of the following, write 7 consecutive numbers. 7 એવા consecutive numbers છે. 100 પેલા આવે છે. ઈ એક જ 7 એવા digit છે જેની વચમાં કોઈ prime number આવતું નથી. That is what the question says. Write 7 consecutive composite numbers less than 100 so that there is no prime numbers between them. Chalo. Who will tell me?
90,
91,
Okay.
92, 93,
Okay.
94,
90, 91, 92, 93. Very good, very good, excellent. So 90 થી લઈને 96 સુધી all the numbers are said to be composite numbers, consecutive composite numbers. Okay, girls? Consecutive means line માં. Okay? જેની વચમાં કોઈ બીજો નંબર આવતો ન હોય. કયો નંબર? પ્રાઇમ નંબર ના આવતો હોય. Is that clear, બચ્ચા પાટી?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Chalo. Very good. Come on, let us back to our topic. Question number 10. Express each of the following numbers as the sum of 3 odd primes. We have to express each of the following numbers. The numbers are given. We have to express that as the sum of three odd prime numbers. ત્રણ odd prime numbers, primes ને add કરવાના છે. Let me clear you. Three odd primes to be added. How can we go through? $21. Have any idea? 3 plus 7 plus 11. What we got?
21.
3 is prime number, 7 is prime number, 11 is prime number. Right? 31. 3 plus 11 plus 17. All three numbers are prime numbers. We got 31. All the three odd primes એટલે 2 પણ ન લઈ શકાય. 2 is even prime number. સમજાય છે? We have to add what? 3 odd primes to each other. That means this has to be added as a prime number. 53. So 13 plus 17 plus 23. After adding all these three, we get 53 as our total. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Right,
Yes,
sir?
sir.
Same way, 19, 29 and 13 added, and it is said to be 61. Any doubt here, girls?
No,
No,
sir.
sir, no doubt.
Question number 11. Write 5 pairs of prime numbers. Write 5 pairs of prime numbers less than 20 whose sum is divisible by 5. એ 5 પેર લખવાની છે કેની પ્રાઇમ નંબર્સની. કેની 5 પેર લખવાની છે? પ્રાઇમ નંબર્સની which is less than 20. 20 કરતા ઉપર ન જવું જોઈએ. But whose sum is એટલે બંનેને એડ કર્યા પછી divisible by 5. The sum જે આવે એને divide by 5 થવો જોઈએ. Are you getting? For example, if we take hint 3 plus 7, both are prime numbers, 3 and 7. By adding both of them, the total is 10, right? 10 is divisible by 5. So that is your one pair. Like that, you have to give 5 pairs of this question. Understood, Bachcha Party?
Yes, sir, understood.
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Understood.
So how can we get that the sum should be divisible by 5?
When the last digit is
2 plus 3 is 5. 2 prime numbers is added. 5 is divisible by 5. Yes. 7 plus 13. આપણે 20 ની અંદર જોવાના છે બધા નંબર, prime numbers. 20 is the greater number, but that is not prime. But 20 ની અંદર જેટલા પણ number primes આવતા હોય એ બંનેને add કરવાના. Can I say 7 plus 13 is 20? 20 is divided by 5. Yes, it is divided by 5. 3 plus 17 is 20. 20 is divided by 5. Yes, it is divided by 5. 2 plus 13 is 15. It is divided by 5. Yes, it is divided by 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 is divided by 5. Yes, it is divided by 5. You got the 5 pairs of the prime numbers?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Which is less than 20. બધાના prime numbers જો 20 ની અંદર હશે. જો તમે 20 ની ઉપરનો એકે prime number લેવાનો નહીં. Is that clear, girls?
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Question number 12. A number which has only 2 factors is called a dash. A number which has only 2 factors is called a dash.
Prime number.
Prime number.
Sure?
Yes.
Chalo, prime numbers. A number which has more than two factors are called
Composite number.
Composite.
composite.
Number.
Very good. Chalo. One is neither dash nor dash.
Prime number and composite number.
Prime number nor a
And composite
Composite
number.
number.
આમ short form લખ્યું છે બેટા. The smallest prime number is what?
Two.
Very good. The smallest composite number is?
Four.
The smallest even number is?
Two.
પાક્કું ને?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Your all answers are correct. So with the help of this question number 12, we have completed our exercise 3.2. Any doubt?
No, sir. No doubt.
ફોટો લેવો હોય તો લઈ લ્યો જલ્દી. ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 9 સુધીનો ફોટો આમાંથી લઈ લ્યો. Then 10 થી પછી બીજો ફોટો આપું છું. આન્સર કોલમ્સ if you want. લીધો આન્સર, લીધો પિક્ચર બેટા?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
તો લઈ લ્યો જલ્દી, જલ્દી કરો. લઈ લીધું બેટા?
Yes.
ચલો
Yes.
તો ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 10, 11, 12 લઈ લ્યો. આન્સર. Done?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Done.
Yes, sir. Done.
Sir, done.
Done.
Sir, done.
Oh, this can be done by your own. It is very easy. You have to check out using divisibility test. તમને ખબર જ છે. If you want to check out whether a number is divided by 2, what can be done? ચલો બોલો જલ્દી, તમારી સાઈડથી બોલો. 2 સાથે જાય છે કે નહીં, નંબરને એમ ચેક કરવું હોય, then what we have to do? Have to recognize whether the given number is divided by 2 or not. જો એક વસ્તુ તમને કહી દઉં, આ ટેબલ બનાવીને થશે નહીં. You have to solve with the method what I have shown you on the board. બોર્ડમાં તમને મેથડ દેખાડેલી છે, યાદ છે?
Yes.
So unit placeમાં 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. 5 નંબરમાંથી યુનિટ પ્લેસમાં હોય, that means that number is divided by 2. યાદ આવે છે કે નહીં?
Yes, sir. We have to draw the table and we have to show the way.
નો નીડ ટુ ડ્રો અ ટેબલ. ગુજરાતી બોલો, કાંઈ ખબર પડી પેલા કે ટેબલ બનાવીને નહીં થાય? મેં તમને જે મેથડ દેખાડેલી છે એ મેથડથી જ ફેરબુકમાં થશે. સમજ પડે છે ગર્લ્સ? ટેબલમાં ખાલી તમે નોટિફાય કરી શકશો છેલ્લે સોલ્વ કર્યા પછી, યસ નો યસ નો યસ નો કરીને. But you cannot show the method, the way. હવે ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ ટેબલ ડિવિઝિબલ બાય 11 છે, ચલો 11 છે તો 11 તમે સોલ્વ કરશો ત્યારે ખબર પડશે ને કે 11 સાથે જાય છે કે નથી જતું એમ. 9 છે, 8 છે તો તમે સોલ્વ કરશો ત્યારે ખબર પડશે ને. 6 છે, 6 તમે સોલ્વ કરેલું હશે તો ખબર પડશે ને.
Sir, can I India?
હા બોલો.
Sir, we have to check the last digit.
So last digit.
Sir, you have told no divisible by 2.
Okay. So
In that, we have to check the last digit. If it is if it is divided by 2, then whole number is divisible by 2.
okay. Then what else? How can we recognize whether a given number is divisible by 3 or not?
Yes.
What yes?
Sir, we have to add the whole number, means 990, we have to add.
Very good. If we want to check whether a given number is divisible by uh, 3 or not, we have to add all the three digits to check out whether the given number is divisible by 3 or not. You have to go through pair book, you have to write that divisible by 3, 990, you have to add that and you have to show the method. Are you getting? Then divisible by 4, last two digits to be checked. If the number is divided by 4, the whole number will be divided by 4. Question number 1 in short તમારી જાતે જ થશે હો girls. તમને યાદ રહેવું જ જોવે. I already explained you. How can we recognize whether a given number is divisible by 5 or not?
Yes, sir.
How
When
can we recognize whether the given number is divisible by 5 or not?
Sir, can I say Sirat?
Yes.
Sir, if the last digit is 5 or 0, then it is divisible by 5.
If it is 5 or 0, very good. Then it is divisible by 5. Then what about number 6?
Sir, if in 6, if that number is divisible by 2 or 2 and 3, then it is divisible by 6 also.
Very good. If the number is divisible by 2 as well as by 3, then that number is divisible by 6. How can we recognize whether a number is divisible by 8 or not?
Sir, we have to check last digit, last 3 digits.
Very good. We have to check the last 3 digits of the given number. If the last 3 digit is divided by 8, that means the whole number is divided by 8. Now, what is the process to check whether a given number is divisible by 9 or not?
Sir, we have to add the number.
We have to add all the digits, and if the total of that number is if the total of the number is divided by 9, that means the whole number will be divided by 9. Correct? Then
Yes, sir.
how can we get that whether a number is divided by 10 or not?
Sir, last digit must be 0.
Exactly. The last digit should be compulsory 0. Then only that number can be divided by 10. Otherwise, it will not. Okay? Then, how can we say that whether a number is divided by 11 or not? Girls, how can we say that whether a given number is divided by 11 or not?
Yes, sir.
How can we say whether a given number is divided by 11 or not? કઈ રીતે કહી શકાય?
How?
Sorry? If, for example, we take 639210, chalo. If we want to check out whether the number is divisible by 11 or not, how can we check out? We have to check the all odd places. 6, 9, 1 are the odd places. Then even places are, first odd places looking at 6 plus 9 plus 1. Okay, these are the odd places. Even places are 3, 2 and 0. So odd places ma 16 is the total, and even places we have 5 is the total. Now after subtracting odd minus even, are you getting 0 or 11? 16 minus 5 is 11. So if we get 0 or 11 or the multiple of 11, that means that number is divisible by 11. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This exercise belongs to, this full complete exercise belongs to the same process what we have to go through. ખાલી question number 1a નથી કરવાનો. We have to do question 2. Question 2 we have to determine which of the following number is divisible by 4 and 8. તો આ નંબરમાં ખાલી 4 અને 8 ને ચેક કરવાના છે આ બધા નંબરમાં. Are you getting? Then question number 3 belongs to divisible by 6. તો બાકીનું કાંઈ ચેક નથી કરવાનું, only divisible by 6 જ ચેક કરવાના. તો 2 ને 3 already cover થઈ જશે એમાં. 6 ક્યારે હોય? When we can check 2 and 3 is there, then only 6 is there. સમજાય છે girls?
Yes, sir.
Then fourth one, divisible by 11 or not. ખાલી 11 નું process check કરવાની છે. In question number 4.
સર એક્સક્યુઝ મી સર
બોલો.
મને ફોર્થ વાળું ન સમજાણું નથી
શું fourth વાળું?
આ ક્વેશ્ચન
કયો question? Divisibility
Fourth
test સમજાઈ ગઈ?
હા divisible test determined which of the following are divisible by 11
તો 11 હમણાં 11 નું કરાવ્યું એ નહોતું સમજાણું? તું પ્રેઝન્ટ નહોતી જ્યારે મેં બોર્ડ વર્ક કરાવ્યું હતું ત્યારે? હે? હલો, પ્રેઝન્ટ હતી કે નહોતી? જવાબ દે ફટાફટ તો ખબર પડે.
હતી
આ તો કેમ નથી ખબર? અત્યારે તે 11 બાય 11 નો જ સમજાવ્યો એક્ઝામ્પલ મેં. અહીંયા કયો એક્ઝામ્પલ સમજાવ્યો મેં હમણાં? We have to add all the odd places. Odd places એટલે શું? Odd numbers નહીં, odd places. Place એટલે શું? Starting from your left hand side, આ one place થઈ. Then third place થઈ ઉપર આમાં સમજાવીએ. 5 4 4 5. ચલો, odd place કઈ છે આમાં? 5 is odd place. બરાબર? Place number 1. This is place number 2, this is place number 3, and this one is place number 4, right? So adding odd place માં કયા બે નંબર છે? 5 plus 4. What is the total? 9. Then even માં કયા કયા છે? 4 and 5. So 4 plus 5. Again you got 9. Now after getting the total of odd place, an even place, you will be having a subtraction between odd and even. If your subtraction answer is 0, if you get difference as 0 or 11, 0 अथवा 11 નો difference આવે, right? That means that whole number is divided by 11. समझ पड़ी क्या ना पड़ी? पड़ी क्या ना पड़ी? See, આ dotted જે નંબર ઉપર ડોટ કરેલા છે એ ઓડ પ્લેસ છે. જો 6 3 9 2 1 0. ઓડ પ્લેસીસ આર 6 પ્લસ થર્ડ પ્લેસમાં 9 છે અને ફિફ્થ પ્લેસમાં શું છે 1 છે. So total was 16. Total was what? 16. બરાબર છે girls?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then 3 plus 2 plus 0 are the three numbers which is having even place. 2, 4 and a 6 place છે. 2 place માં 3 છે, 4 place માં 2 છે અને 6 place માં શું છે 0. So what is the sum of this even place? That is 0, 5, or we can write 5. Both are correct. So 16 minus 5, we are getting 11. So 11 is divided by 11. That means whole 6,39,210 is divided by 11. समझ पड़ी? The difference should be either 11 or either 0. That means the number will be divisible by 11. If you get multiples of 11, that means 22. So 22 11 સાથે જાય છે. That means whole number will be divided by 11. સમજાય છે? 22, 33 ઘણી વખત ડિફરન્સ આવા મોટા પણ આવશે. So you have to check, is this the multiple of 11? That means the given number is divisible by 11. Any doubt here, boys? Sorry, girls?
No, sir, no doubt.
Sure na bachcha party?
Yes, sir, very sure.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sure.
So will you be able to do this exercise 3.3
Yes.
up till question number 4?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Who will read question number 5? Who will read question number?
Sir, can
Can
I
I
see that?
Okay, do one thing.
Can I
Do
meet
one
Atma?
thing. Do one thing. Let us keep up till here. Question number 4. Your homework compulsory to show me. હું તમને next lecture માં કેમેરા 1 by 1 ઓપન કરાવડાવીશ અને હું આમ એક ઓવરવ્યુ આપીશ, ખાલી હું જોઈ લઈશ whether your sums are correct or not. બરાબર? I will personally check in your rough or in your fair, whatever place you would like to do, you do it. Fair book માં તો compulsory કરવાના જ છે બધા sums, but rough માં one time કરવાનું છે સાથે. I will
Sir,
check
પહેલા
that.
પેજમાં સર ફર્સ્ટ પેજમાં બધું દેખાડી દેવાનું, પછી ટેબલ ડ્રો કરીને એમ કરી નાખવાનું ને.
Yes, yes, exactly.
ઓકે સર, થેન્ક યુ.
Chalo, take care of yourself, take care of your health very well, and enjoy your next 2 lectures ahead. Have a nice time, girls.
થેન્ક યુ
Bye,
સર.
sir.
ગુડ બાય સર. હેવ અ
Bye-bye.
બ્યુટીફુલ ડે.
Bye, sir.
ખુદાફિઝ.
Hafiz.
Have a nice day.
બાય બાય.